Good morning, children. Today is Tuesday. Today is 28 July 2020. Children, revise this rhyme. This is a family. This is father good and kind. This is mother with gentle mind. This is brother grown so tall. This is sister always with a doll. This is baby still to grow. That is the whole family standing in a row. Please revise this family rhyme. Children, next take your 4-rule book and practice writing again. My name is. Again, the same sentence you practice writing, and whenever you are writing, please read and write. M-Y, my. N-A-M-E, name. I-S, is. And then write your name and practice your name also. Children, these are the flashcards of different kinds of rooms we have in our house. Please take these flashcards and practice reading. Living room. Living room. Living room is a place in your house where you keep sofa, TV, and your guests come, they sit there. Okay? And this is bedroom. Bedroom is a place where you sleep. And this is kitchen. Kitchen is a place where your mama cooks. And this is bathroom. Bathroom is a place where you take your bath to keep yourselves clean. So practice reading these flashcards. Children, next take your 4-rule book and write at words. A-T, at words. B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. So please practice writing at words. Children, next take your numeracy skills book, book number 3. Open page number 32. Children, what is this? Tell me. Equal to. What is the symbol? Equal to. So in this worksheet, draw objects to match the numerals. So here you can see buttons. 1, 2, 3. Okay, number 3 is given here. Here you count 1, 2, 3. So number 3 is written here. So 3 equal to 3. Repeat now. 3 equal to 3. Whenever you are saying here equal to, you are writing the symbol. Can you see here? Yes. 3 equal to 3. Now next one, number 4 is given here. So you need to draw 4 objects here. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4. Now coming here. Yes, now count 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 equal to 4. Repeat. 4 equal to 4. Now the next number is 2. So you can draw any objects. I am drawing here flowers. One, two. Now, 1. Okay, 1. Now, 2. So, how many flowers here? 1, 2. Here also 1, 2. So, 2 equal to 2. 2 equal to 2. Now next, 1. Number 1 is given. So draw something here. Only 1. One. Okay. Now how many balls here? 1. And here 1. Come on, read. 1 equal to 1. 1 equal to 1. Next, number 5. Now let's draw 5 objects. One, two. Whenever you're drawing, please count. 3, 4, 5. Now here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now repeat. 5 equal to 5. 5 equal to 5. So to add more fun, you can also color what you have drew. You can also color them. Children, next, please do oral revision of number names. Okay? Please do oral revision of 1 to 10. From 1 to 10, please do oral revision. Children, next take your third book of stories, book number 7. The story name is The Musical Donkey. Repeat. The Musical Donkey. Once upon a time, there lived a donkey and a jackal. Children, can you see the picture? Yes. Now you tell. Once upon a time, there lived a donkey and a jackal. One day, they went to a farm. Children, can you see here? Farm. Yes. Farm. What is this called? Farm. Who went to the farm? Donkey and jackal. They went to a farm. The donkey ate the grass. What did the donkey eat? Grass. Now what? The jackal ate the ducks and hens. So what did the jackal do? It ate all the hens and ducks in the farm. After eating, the donkey began to sing loudly. Children, what did the donkey do after eating? It began singing. Hearing this, the jackal ran away. Why did the jackal ran away? Yes, because the donkey started singing loudly. So what did the jackal do? It got scared and it ran away. The farmers came running and chased the donkey away. So after that, what happened? The farmers in the village, they heard the donkey singing very loudly. So they got disturbed. What did they do? They came and they chased the donkey away. Bye children. Take care.